Mark is back there doing a little fire. Dean's coming today to clear it. So thought we'd get a look of beforehand. We've been clearing it a little bit here and there. But this is it. It's pretty rough. A lot of stumps along back in there. So hopefully we'll see a change later today. Here we are. We're all burning. What are we doing, Adam?
What?
What are we doing?
I'm putting the fire.
Yeah? Playing the fire.
Adam, stay over here, buddy.
We burnt most of the shrub along the fence line. Hi. Hi. The kids are being good. We only had them out here for about an hour or so. But there's a Bubba. He'd like being with Mom and Dad. Had Sarah watch him today for a little bit, and then we went to a party, and then we came back and helped Daddy. But the dozer didn't show up today, so all those stumps next week, hopefully, they're saying, Dean says. So, those will all be gone. We have to burn the rest of that little shrub tomorrow, and that's it till the dozer comes. Brought the family pooch. What you doing, Adam?
What?
What are you doing?
A piece of weeds. Piece of weeds.
Did you help Daddy with the fire?
No.
Uh-oh, there went our water. Abby, what'd you do? Abby dumped our water all over the place. We better go. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Can't fix it now. No, no, no. Silly Sassy. She's been a busy girl. For having no nap. A very little one. Oh, Bubba. There's a Bubba. You're playing games with a Bubba. You hide it. Dad working hard. You need. No, don't play with that yet.
What happened to water?
There's a Bubba.
Mama, what happened to water? Happened to water.
It's all gone. We don't need it. We're gonna spray it pretty soon. We're almost done for the day. Bubba.